Okay, got our exhaust system laid out here. It's kind of duplicate the way to go on the car. Looks like everything will go pretty good. Looks pretty painless. Keep our fingers crossed. Probably shouldn't talk too much before it's done. It looks like it'll all fit in there real nicely. Get right back in there. All right, let's get it fit. All right, got our 64 Impala here. Got the course report set on it, the little balance panel in it. And we're working on putting our exhaust on it. Got it all unpacked and folded some of it up. It's going along pretty nicely. Just gotta make sure it rattles. So it's looking pretty good. Coming right along. Stainless steel all the way back. All right, there we go. One step closer to